Hey, respected friends! Today I want to share a funny story with you that will make you smile. It's about my old stepmom's house. Once upon a time, I went to visit my old stepmom's house. As soon as I entered, I noticed that everything was upside down. The couch was on the ceiling, the lamp was hanging from the floor, and even the pictures were hanging upside down. I was so confused and didn't know what to do. But then my stepmom came out and said, "Surprise! I decided to redecorate and thought it would be fun to flip everything upside down." I couldn't help but laugh at how silly it all looked. But then my stepmom said something that stuck with me. She said, "Sometimes in life, things can get turned upside down and we have to learn to adapt and find the humor in it." That really resonated with me and made me realize that even when things don't go as planned, we can still find joy and laughter in unexpected situations. So remember, viewers, when life flips things upside down, don't be afraid to laugh and find the humor in it. It might just turn your day around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.